Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium-well burgers. First, let's prepare our patties. Select ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties to about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. Remember to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This simple trick helps prevent them from bulging while cooking, ensuring an even cook throughout. This foundational step is key to a great burger. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your grill or pan to a medium-high temperature, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your patties on the hot surface and cook the first side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, caramelized crust to form. Then, flip the burgers carefully and continue cooking the second side for another 5 to 6 minutes to achieve that perfect medium-well doneness. Accuracy is crucial for a medium-well burger, so an instant-read meat thermometer is your best friend. After cooking, insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the patty, making sure to avoid the center indentation you created earlier. For that ideal medium-well doneness, your thermometer should register 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise measurement ensures your burger is cooked perfectly, every single time, without any guesswork. The final, yet often overlooked, step is resting your burgers. Once they reach the desired temperature, remove them from the heat and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the patty, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful burger. Finally, serve your perfectly cooked medium-well burgers on toasted buns with all your favorite toppings and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.